Good morning guys and welcome to day 3. We are off to EPCOT this morning. We were going to go Typhoon Lagoon, but the temperature is still a little warm. It is meant to get warmer as the day goes on today, and then it should be warm then from then on. So we changed our plans. We were going to go EPCOT this evening anyway. We were going to go Typhoon in the morning, do some outlet shopping and that. So we decided we're going to do EPCOT this morning, come back, go to the outlets, come back again, then go back into EPCOT this evening. We're still wrapping up a little warm today, so we'll be heading down to the Skyliner in a minute.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
Important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
Wow!
Bass and catfish, like the ones you see here, are 3 of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Rice account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
Right guys, so we're currently sat in sunshine season. Tried to rope drop Frozen, but when we were in the queue for it, they said it was closed.
Closed.
It was going to have a delayed start.
The Frozen ride was broken, so we had to go on a different ride.
What did we go on?
We got, what was it called again?
Soarin.
We went on Soarin. And then we went on Mummy's favorite ride, which was
Living with a lamb.
whatever Mummy said.
Remy's milkshake.
A little picnic mat on the top's annoying.
Oh?
The little picnic mat bit.
Oh yeah.
What do you think, Fia? Nice?
I think it's nice too. Hard to
Capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't.
Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light. It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll. Woohoo! You win 1 cent. Oh, yeah, that really stinks. Of course not.
On that Finding Nemo road. We've just been to Figment and he was there meeting and greeting, so the kids had pictures taken with Figment.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for off the way.
Okay, now think it is so your pain.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And now think
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Alright, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Your old pal Bruce. More salter, mate. Fish are friends, not food. Delicious little friends. I wonder if clownfish taste funny.
Right behind you, Dad. Come on,
Kill the boner, dude.
Hey, check out what I can do.
Hey! Righteous offspring! Awesome!
Here comes Sharky.
Oh, look at that. It's a smash in your hand. Let's chop. Little one. Turtles. Finally. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? Turtles. So cute. Should we go in? That's one massive shark. Oh yeah, that is. And I just see a massive shark. Wow.
Hi guys, we are back on the Skyliner heading back to the resort. We've had a great afternoon, so can't remember where we got to last, but we rode Guardians. We had to do a rider swap because Thea didn't want to ride it. So Faye went on with Freddy first, and you got Conga.
Past Disney's Boardwalk Inn
So then
and Disney's Boardwalk
I
Villas.
went on with Freddie,
This
and
charming lakeside resort
I think I got
offers magical
Iran.
lounges, enchanting
Now,
restaurants, and
I'm not
live
a music
entertainment on the
person, I
boardwalk
didn't
every
really,
evening.
so apart from some of them I probably wouldn't have had a clue what they were anyway, so I'm thinking it was Iran. Then we've just gone and had lunch at, where did we go?
La Cantina.
San Angel La Cantina, is it the quick service in Mexico?
Yeah.
Faye had the barbacoa tacos. I had the taco trio. Freddie tried empanadas, first time he's had them, he loved them. And Thea had chicken strips, was it?
Yeah,
Chicken strips.
Chicken tenders.
Yeah, that's it, chicken tenders.
Not massive.
So yeah, we're heading back to the resort now, and then we're gonna head to
Oh, Mummy!
the outlets, do a bit of shopping. So far, good morning in
Other
Epcot.
Skyliner stations were
Much later.
Evening guys, so we've just got back from Vineland Outlets. Damage has been done. We've got quite a lot of stuff from Tommy. Faye's got a nice fleece half zip jumper. I got polo, 2 dresses. I got a top, and then Under Armour. I pretty much bought the whole shop. Got jumpers, t-shirts, a cap. Went in Character Warehouse, but unfortunately it wasn't that great. You know, before we came out, we were watching videos and there was lots of stuff we liked in there. But when we got there today, there was hardly anything really. So we did get a few bits. Faye got a magic band because she's fed up of using her card to get into the parks and that.
My card don't work to get into the room.
Yeah, and her card's not working to get in the room. Thea got a little play set. Do you want to show me your play set, Thea?
Did you not let me open it?
So you got Inside Out 2 little figures to play with. Faye got herself a new Figment Loungefly that was $30.
$30, yeah. It was
$30.
19.
It was 90 down to 30. So that's a bargain. I'm not sure. 24.90. Was it 24.90? No.
29.99?
No, her little toys. 14.99 for that. The Magic Bands were 19.99. Just got our friend's kid little present. So yeah, so we're gonna head on into Epcot now. Try some of the food festivals. Ride Frozen ride.
Mummy?
The Epcot ball looks so nice at night. Coming across the skyline now and it's all lit up.
Wow. Amazing.
There's the
Activity. Red hot.
Riviera Resort.
Red hot balloon. Red hot balloon.
Flying over Caribbean Beach. Absolute massive resort.
Look at the pool, Mama.
Oh wow, look at that one.
That is the tennis.
What's
That is the tennis. No, I think it's Simba.
I don't know, it looks amazing.
Look at the sandal.
not seen the ball light up like this before. It must be
Yes, it
some sort of
It's an actual real
show or something that
sandal.
they put on.
Look at sandstorms.
They
We
started
are
doing
now
those
sailing
shows,
over
didn't they?
Disney's
I
Caribbean
think so.
Beach Resort.
Comment
Home
it.
to a collection of tropical
Comment
villages
below
inspired by the
if you know what
colorful
sort of show it
architecture
is.
and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
So we're at Food and Wine. Just trying China at the minute. What have we got there?
You're going to try dumpling?
Chicken dumpling
Chicken dumpling and some noodles.
and some noodles.
I also
Tiny bit. Hold on, share a bit with Mummy. Mummy,
We're just
share
gonna
a big bit and then you share a bit with me.
Share the dishes. Just get quite a few selections.
sauce.
Freddie didn't like it.
I think that sauce is a bit spicy. I like it.
You like that? Right.
Oh, maybe he does like it now.
Yummy.
You like that? Right, you're finishing?
Like spice.
Thea thinks it's spicy. Guys, the verdict is dumplings were nice. They
And spicy.
I thought the sauce was really nice. The noodles are good too. Got like a beefy taste to them.
Perfect for kids.
I preferred the dumplings.
Yeah.
The sauce on the dumplings really nice.
Kids are devouring the noodles.
Yeah. The kids absolutely love the noodles. You love the noodles, Thea? Thumbs up from Thea. Thumbs up from Freddie. Success. Next up we have
I'm trying to cheese.
warm raclette with ham. Faye's trying to get into it.
You didn't happen to pick up a knife?
Nah, just rip it.
I want to try some.
So, last up we've got the huckleberry funnel cake. What's it like, Faye? Oh. Nice?
Taste like the middle of a jam donut.
Do you like it, Freddie?
Yeah, I really like the deep fried what's it called again?
The funnel cake.
Yeah.
Funny cake.
Yeah.
It's like a waffle like that. That's gonna like a little bit heated. And with the ice cream and the sauce with the funnel bit, then we had the cream.
It's nice.
Yeah, it has to give me the top of the list for the best pudding.
Good, good.
Yeah, it's the best
And
pudding
Thea
I've ever had in my life.
ain't getting any because she's crashed out in the pram. But she best hurry up and wake up in a minute because we got test track. Did you like test track?
Yeah, I really like this back. I really like the outside bit because there's like more twists and turns.
Yeah,
I like it goes sideways.
Went super quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like very quick.
Is that your second best ride?
After
Guardians?
Yeah, I mean, I love the Guardians of the Galaxy.
But we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you.